Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are drawing this cute elephant. Let's begin if you are ready. And I will start drawing his eyes first. Two ovals with round highlights inside. And I will fill the space around highlights in. Next we will draw his trunk. The first curve will start under the left eye, go down and then up, turning to the left side, and another side will start under the right eye, again curve down and finish right next to the first line. Next we have the opening here, and we will draw one small U shape right above it, like this. And I will connect this line with two curves on the sides. So we are going to have like a small bin at the end. We can add some wrinkles here. Just two curves between the eyes. And next we can draw his tusks. Starting a little bit below the beginning of the trunk, we are going to draw a U shape, and the same on another side. Once we have that, we can start drawing the shape of the head. I will draw his cheeks first. And I will extend both lines up, creating a pear-like shape. I will leave a little gap on the top. In this gap, I will draw three curves for the hair. I feel like I wanna add eyebrows. And now it's time to add his ears. Elephants have big ears. I think that looks good. And let's try to make the same ear on the right side. Okay, I will add extra curves inside the ears. And we are done with the head. Next we can draw his body. Let's add two curves on the sides. One horizontal line right in the middle. And we're gonna add legs. Two lines here. Two more here. Connect with curves. And add some details. And to add a little bit more dimension to our drawing, I will draw back legs visible from behind. And we could add some tail. And this is it for the line work. I think he looks very cute. Let's color this guy first. And make sure you don't miss the end of the video, where I will share with you a couple of examples of how you can change this drawing to make your own artwork. See you after the coloring! And this is how the final result looks like. I'm very happy how this cute guy turned out. Now if you don't want to stop here and add more details to this drawing, here is some inspiration for you. You could maybe add a reading glasses or make him play with water. It was nice drawing with you today, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye bye!